Hello, I am Huey Tinman with Adaptive Care Provider Software. Welcome to another adaptive training video. In this video, we're going to be looking at the release of tapered medication assignments and regimen. The first thing that we're going to do is create a very simple medication with nothing out of the ordinary. For this example and demonstration, we have given Justin training a tapered medication for testing. This demonstration and these detailed instructions are: give 5 pills on day 1. Additional instructions are: give with food. We have scheduled this to be administered at 11 o'clock a.m. So nothing different there than you're already used to. We'll insert that record. And now that we have created this record, you will notice that being a new medication with no charting, there is a tapered dose icon available. The medications that exist and have chartings will not be available to taper. You will have to discontinue them and create a new medication. Unfortunately, there was simply no way that we could go back and intertwine those two together. The first thing, if you do CLCK on this now, you're going to get a message that says medication counting is not set for this medication. And the reason for that is that you need to set the counting in place before you can assign the tapering regimen to this. So we're going to cancel this, and we're going to go down, and we're going to click on Edit. You're used to setting up counting already. That has not changed. Let's click on Track Inventory. I'm going to set a reorder point of this at 0 because this will be a 5-day regimen, and we will set the dose to our first day's dose of 5 medication. So 5 pills are given on the first day, and that's what you set for your initial dose to on day 1. And at 11 o'clock a.m. that medication is administered. I will put a note in here, and we'll hit Save to add track inventory. Now with Add Track Inventory added, it is going to ask us to update the inventory, and for a 5-day regimen, we are going to enter 15 total pills, and we're going to hit Save. Now we've got 15 total for this 5-day regimen, so that's going to be just perfect. The next thing we need to do is we need to establish the type of counting and how we want to count that and at what intervals. And let's select Count as administered at 11 o'clock a.m. We'll save that counting schedule, and we will go ahead and close that. Okay, very good. Now what I would like to do is let's just go ahead for safekeeping and check and make sure that this medication has shown up. If we click on it, it will bring up our medication count, which is what we want to see. It has subtracted that first dose of 5, and we now have an inventory left remaining of 10. Let's close that, and now let's go back into our medication and set up the tapering. So we're going to come down, we're going to select this, and now we're going to select our tapered dose. And when our tapered dose window pops up, it's pre-populated with some defaults. It's going to be scheduled every 1 day. If you wanted every other day to administer this medication, you could select it too. Every 3 days, 3, 4, etc., etc. The dose interval is going to be 1. The default setting is 1. The tapered dose will be reduced by 1 every date interval. So, with the dosage set to 5, it's going to reduce to 4 with each interval that we set this. The date is scheduled for the next day that we assign the initial simple medication to. The time remains the same, and the dosage has already been pre-calculated for you. So all you have to do is add your instructions in here now. That would be: give 4 tabs on day 2. And we'll click Add Tapered Dose, and we have added that line. So we have our first day is showing up down here, and we have our second day is showing up here. We'll add the next one in. The 3 pills on day 3, and the next. Oops. Give And finally, we have give 1 pill on day 5, and I will add that to the regimen. And now as we have completed adding all of our days into this, so we need to click on Complete Tapered Regimen. Very good. The next thing that we need to do is let's go in and verify that we have all of our days placed in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 11, 11 a.m., 5 pills, 4 pills, 3 pills, 2 pills, 1. And now let's go up and take a look at this in the medication admin charting. And you can see that here is day 1, dose 1, give 5 pills on day 1. And when we select that, it's going to come up with the count as admin inventory, so we can add our manual count in there, which in this case would be 10. And we can chart those and save. Okay, very good. So now let's advance to the next day, and we see the tapered medication demonstration dose 2, and we select that, and we can see that now. We have a remaining inventory as 6 because we have just administered 4. And so we will set that to 6 and acknowledge that, and we'll chart dose and save. And we have that now saved. So we can move ahead to the 17th now and do the same thing. Let's just verify. I'll take you through this very quickly. Now we're at 3. And we'll chart those and save. Let's advance again. There's 1 remaining. We'll advance to the final day of this tapered medication regimen, and we have a remaining count of 0 after this med pass. So we're going to enter 0 in there. We're going to chart dose and save. Very good. Let's take a look at our EMR and make sure that everything has gone according to plan, and we can see that the tapered medication demonstration has begun on the 15th. On the 16th. The 17th, on the 18th, and finally on the 19th of dose 5, give 1 pill on dose 5. So, you can see how easy that is now to set up the medication dosage tapering in adaptive care provider software. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, there will be more information published to the knowledge base shortly. And also, you are certainly welcome to fill out a support ticket at any time, and if there is any emergency, you are free to call our support line. Thanks very much. We'll see you in the next video.